priority mo pa rin yung career. Pero do you see yourself ending with Rico?
Yeah.
Oh, but ay sorry. Nagiging emotional ka. Sorry. Would you like to say something?
Can we request for tissue paper, please? Yes. Thank you. Yes, I will get it from here. Okay. Maurice, have some. There.
I'm so scared. I'm really scared. Dami kasing tanong about him and I'm tired of smiling and nodding